Back to your tech researcher. Today's going to be a good one. We'll be unboxing the Skydio 2 Plus Pro Kit from Skydio. They're an American company that rivals the best of them, such as DJI. In the kit, you'll get your Skydio 2 Plus drone, your controller, your 2 Plus beacon, 3 batteries, you'll get 1 charger, you'll get some extra propellers, some ND filters, a tablet holder, your USB charging cables, microfiber cloth, protective starter case, the Skydio Pro case, 128 gigabyte micro SD card, and the 2-year Skydio Care Plan. This drone has 360-degree obstacle avoidance, can fly up to 36 miles per hour and up to 6 kilometers. That's up to 27 minutes of flight time, and the camera is a 4K 60 HDR with up to 13 stops of dynamic range. All right, enough talking about it. Let's check it out. All right, as you can see, you can actually buy this kit from Amazon right now, and you can get a $200 off for their Black Friday price, or you can go to the Skydio website and get the same deal. 200 bucks off is not bad. All right, let's check this one out first. This case feels pretty rugged, which is awesome when you're out carrying the stuff around and you drop it. You want it to be secure and safe. And this is also kind of neat, so it serves as a landing pad, a takeoff pad as well. You get some instructions, Skydio Flight School, then a quick start guide. Check that out later. All right, let's open this up. That looks nice. That blue color is sick. I wish DJI would actually add some color to their drones. They're all just a gray, a bland gray. Whereas this pop of blue gives it that character, some style. That front camera is huge. So I also have a DJI Mini 3 Pro, which I'll do a side-by-side comparison. This thing definitely is bigger than that. So it's got 1, 2, 3, count 4, 5, 6, 7 cameras on this thing. That's crazy. The only thing I don't like that DJI does is it has the foldable arms, and it makes it a little bit easier for packing away. So I like to take a small bag when I'm taking my drone kit with me. So I'm gonna have to figure something out with this. Otherwise, I really like it. It's solid, feels good. Also kind of neat, the props in the front are upside down, and then in the back they're upright. I did flip these up, so part of the 2 Plus kit is the extended range from the other kit. So you flip these up, and these are antennas, and then it helps out with that range. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set this aside. Also in the box, so you got your charger, USB-C, some extra props, nice USB-C cable. Got okay, here's one battery, and then a microfiber cloth. Nice. All right, let's put this back in here. Put that aside for now. All right, let's check out what's in this box. Alright, so this is the Pro Kit case, and this is heavy duty. That's where all the weight is coming from, is this case right here. It says Skydio, designed, assembled, and supported in the United States of America. That's awesome. Damn, this is like military grade. This is going to keep your equipment safe and secure, and especially if you travel with your gear. Yeah, this right here, your stuff's going to be good to go putting on a plane or however you travel with your gear. Let's check out, unlatch it. Okay, so underneath here, it's got these clips. Push them, and that's how you unlatch it. Take this little tag off there. Should be good. Wow, that's awesome. The presentation of this is just, yeah, I like it. I like the blue accent up top going with your drone. All right, so the rest of the goodies in here, we've got your another microfiber cloth. We've got 3 ND filters. You got your ND8, ND16, and ND32. All right. So we got our beacon controller here. This is really neat. I'm really excited to try this out. I'm used to using my DJI controller, the RC controller with the built-in screen. But just using this to be able to fly, it's going to be interesting. Maybe easier, I don't know. But I like the fact that you can put this in your pocket and just walk around, and the drone, using its AI technology, knows where and how to film you. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. It's going to be different. Also USB-C charging. A couple more extra props in there. Let's see what, some extra charging, actually not charging cable. This is a USB-C to lightning cable. And for those Android people out there, you got your USB-C to USB-C cable. And I imagine this is to connect directly to their regular controller. Here are 2 more Skydio 2 Plus batteries. Got some heft to them. I'm actually going to weigh this battery and drone, and I'll show you how much it weighs in a little bit as well. Oh, nice. Okay, push the button, you can see the state of charge. You can't probably see in the camera, but there's 4-step lights here. So each got pretty low in battery, but that's all right. And there's another slot in the case here for that third battery. Here we go, tablet holder by Parrot. It's another known brand, a big known brand. All right, so just probably attach this here. This actually kind of feels cheap, to be honest. This little bracket right here. I feel like if you're filming and you accidentally fall and this drops, like that feels like a weak point. This is all right. This stuff, yeah, I can see this as a weak over time. This thing fraying, and yeah, I don't know about this. We'll see, but I'll definitely try it out. I have a iPad Pro 11-inch, so I'll put it in there and we'll see how. But that's nice. This has got some nice foam to protect your tablet when you put that in there. Okay, moving on. Another charger. So awesome. I think there's 2 chargers then in this kit. Just kind of snap. Oh, and it magnetizes. So you just snap that right in there. USB-C. Oh, what? No way. Hell yeah. Okay, so USB-C charging, and this thing charges 2 batteries at once, and then I'm gonna go, let me see. And then you just got your normal charge, yeah, regular charger right there. So this does 2 batteries at once. That's pretty sick. I like it. Put that back. Put that here. All right, so here's the normal controller. So you can use the beacon, the normal controller, and then download the app, and then you can fly that way as well using your smart device. To be honest, this feels like a toy. For the price of this entire kit, this feels like a toy grade controller. Yeah. I really wish this was a bit more premium. They need to do something about this controller, because the DJI, the regular controller without the screen beats this. Yeah, blows this out of the water. This thing needs to go. They need to figure something else out. But on the back, USB-C charging, zoom in, zoom out. Looks like camera, pan, tilt, record. I don't know what that symbol is, but I'll figure it out in a little bit. Return to home, and probably takeoff and landing. All right, move this here. Last couple things. Got a little pamphlet for your legal information. Oh, nice. You get a USB 3.0 to a micro SD card reader. That's nice. That wasn't advertised, so that's pretty good. And then you get a SanDisk 128 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme SD card. That's what you need. If you're flying drones, you need this quality of SD card. 128, probably 256. I'm going to start upgrading mine to 256 gig because of the 4K footage. But 128 will get you by. But that's awesome. Okay. Alright, so that's basically everything that's included in the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and cut away and then come back and weigh this thing and let you know how much it weighs. Alright, so if you're flying drones, you should probably know that anything over 249 grams, you're going to have to register with the FAA. So we're going to go ahead and weigh the Skydio 2 Plus with this battery, but I wanted to show that this magnetizes. So that's how that attaches. I love how easy that is. It just comes right on and off, but it's secure. So you're not going to worry about, I think even if this crashes, that battery's staying in place. Like, it's not going anywhere. But okay, so let's check this out. We've got our scale. It's set to ounces. There we go, grams. Okay, let's check it out. We've got 791.8 grams. So you're definitely going to be registering this with the FAA. But that's an advantage of the DJI Mini 3 Pro, is with the regular battery, that thing weighs under 249 grams, and you don't have to register with the FAA. So let's do that side-by-side comparison I was talking about. So here we have it, DJI Mini 3 Pro. I love this thing as well, really great to fly, easy video footage that this thing produces is really great. So that's what they look like side by side. You see the gimbal on this, it's pretty tiny compared to the Skydio. And on the DJI you only get front obstacle avoidance, rear, and then on the bottom it doesn't have side to side. Again, the Skydio has 360-degree obstacle avoidance. I'm going to test this thing in the jungle. We're in Hawaii. So I'm going to put it through its paces and see how well it does. Tried out the DJI. It did okay. I did crash into some trees walking through the jungle. This is a replacement drone. I'm going to do a video on that as well with the DJI Care. Short of it is, that's awesome. Get it. I'm glad this comes with a 2-year warranty as well. You got to pay extra for that, but I'm glad they offer it just in case this thing breaks. Okay, so I do want to do one last comparison, the controllers, because I'm still disappointed by that Skydio controller. So here's the DJI RC controller. And then there's that toy. Yeah, again, this thing here, for the price you pay for this kit, this has to go. This right here is included with the drone, DJI Mini 3 Pro, for under $1,000. I mean, come on. That's the only thing, that's my biggest complaint, Skydio. Do something better than this, and you got yourself a winner for sure. All right, well, thanks for joining me for this unboxing. I'm going to definitely do some videos of me flying the Skydio and then comparing the DJI Mini 3 Pro. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.